Okay, the next point is cover the wound. Bandages can help keep the wound clean and keep harmful bacteria out. After the wound has healed enough to make infection unlikely, exposure to the air will speed wound healing. So after applying thin layer of ointment or antibiotic cream, now the next step is what? Yes, the next step is to cover the wound, and covering the wound help the wound from entering bacteria. So in order to keep the wound safe from bacteria, what you are going to do it? Yes, you are going to cover the wound with the bandages for a certain period of time. Well, dear students, now there are 2 points that I am going to tell you, and you have to keep in your mind. These 2 points are really very important. Number one, as I've told you, cover the wound with bandages for a certain period of time. So, 2 points you need to remember. Number one, bandages keep the wound clean and keep harmful bacteria out. So, why we are wrapping that part with the bandages? What is the reason? Because bandages can keep the wound clean and keep harmful bacteria or germs out. Okay, and the next point is covering the wound. Well, like, what is the purpose that we are covering the wound? So covering the wound with the bandages for a certain period of time. So if you find the wound has been healed, let it be then exposed to air. So this process of giving exposure to air will make the healing process of your wound fast. Like, this is the reason that you are going to cover the wound for a certain period of time, because if you find the wound has been healed, then let it expose to the air. This will definitely help your wound to heal fast. Okay, to make is a phrase which is underlined over here. It is infinitive.